Hello there, my name is Maggie, and today I have my 2023 beauty resolutions. I wanted to do it a little bit different this year, and I wanted to put on this look as I did it. And so this is sort of my quintessential look anytime I'm in a hurry or like pressed for time, or even just like on autopilot putting on makeup. I put this look on. It is just like a shimmery eyeshadow, lots of depth, thick wing liner, and pink lips. So this is sort of the classic Anna look, but with that I wanted to tell you my 2023 beauty resolutions. So stay tuned and let's get into it. I already got started on a bit of my face. I'll tell you what all I put on. First thing I put on was the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. Put that all over the face. You can see a little glow. And then over that, I put on the Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech Foundation in the shade, oh, this was a shade 3. And this one is a shade A40, no, 210 light medium neutral, which is a little bit of my winter shade because I do lose all of my tan. Then I put on Rare Beauty light medium setting powder all over the outside of my, like all over my skin, all over my face, except my under eye. My under eye, I put on the Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder in light medium. So you're sort of caught up now. The next thing I'm going to put on is the Physicians Formula Butter Hall of Fame collection. I'm going to use the bronzers. So I'm going to use these two right here for contouring all my up here in my, for contouring. We'll just put it that way. Okay, so I'm going to take an angled brush and just dip into both. Just the sides of my face here. But I wanted to tell you about my beauty goals for this year while I was putting on my makeup, and I got started and I was like, oh shoot, that was what I wanted to do. So I'm just gonna start from this part here. So one of the first beauty goal that I want to do is they're similar to last year. I'm going to continue to drink 100 ounces of water a day. The importance of water is just, it goes without saying. Hey, so you have voiceover Anna here, and I'm going through my goals and I missed so many. So make sure to look at the description bar because I will have them all listed there. Okay, the other beauty goal that I have is to do my own manicure. Not pedicure, because I kind of like going to the salon for that, but for manicure, it just doesn't seem worth it for me to go to the salon because my nails grow so fast, and I type all day long, so I can't really get long nails because I type so much that it hinders me. My other goal is to similar to last year. Well, I think this one was similar to last year as well. I did pretty good the whole year except like maybe 3 times. So also I want to I want to do a spa skincare routine every week, just like last year on Sundays, same day. Just really be consistent. And so I have, because some of the things I didn't get to last year, I didn't get to them. And so what I'm going to do this year is create rewards for monthly rewards for if I complete all those things, then I can get this reward. And it's all like obviously things that I want. So I'm excited to do them because I, again, want the rewards. I'm going to go in with this darker color down here. Oops. To add a little bit of depth. Another beauty goal is to get my hair cut once every quarter. I kind of let that go, and my hair just kind of like, you know, doesn't do well. So I want to really make it a priority to get my hair cut. I know that whenever I let my hair grow long, it's actually not very healthy for me because I just kind of, I neglected it. So I'm going to go into the blushes. I'm going to go into this color right here. Maybe this color. Actually, this one, it looks a little bit prettier on camera. So I'm going to go for that one. Just taking in another. This is actually hard to do. I don't know how people can talk and put on makeup at the same time. Where was I? Okay. Drink more water. Do my own nails. Do a spa Sunday. What did I just say? Get a haircut every quarter. I want to start switching to cruelty-free makeup. I couldn't really go clean because I don't know, but I will go, I do want to go like cruelty-free. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go into my eyebrows and I'm using the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in Brunette. Yes, I'm switching out all of my products to cruelty-free and not tested on animals. Another goal is to, just like last year, post once a week on here. And I have set in some sort of micro goals and also some like, I created the space in my routine, which was a problem last year, that I didn't create the space in my routine. So I couldn't ever get to it, into my day, I should say, into my schedule. So I have done that this time. I'm gonna list them all just in case I forgot any down below. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna move on to rewards. If I missed any, I'm gonna, I wrote them all down. I'll put them down below. I'm gonna move on to the rewards, and I'm also gonna go into the, so this is a really cool collection. So I'm gonna go into this sort of blending shade using a blending brush. So if I'm able to do all these, specifically if I do this Spa Sunday skin routine where I do my own nails on Sunday, put on the face mask and the sheet mask, and if I do all that on Sundays, then I'm going to reward myself with a spa appointment at the end of the month. And it could be for anything, maybe like a facial, maybe a massage, maybe a pedicure, maybe I don't know, some kind of mask or something. I'm using a dome brush for the bottom. So yeah, if I do my Spa Sundays, I get to go to a spa. And the Spa Sundays every night will, every Sunday I should say, will be when I also do my manicure as well. If I buy only cruelty free, then at the end of the month I get to create my own lipstick. So one of my like all-time goal, not goals, maybe like dreams I should say, because it's not a goal yet, but one of my dreams is to have my own lipstick line, because lipsticks are my favorite. And I'm gonna take this brush here and I'm gonna go into this taupey color. Oh, it's called Rainforest Queen, or no, Reservation for Two. That's cute. They have colors in the back. If I do that, then I'm going to create my own lipstick, either at the Mix It Lab or at the Bite Beauty. Most likely it's going to be at the Bite Beauty bar or whatever, it's Lip Beauty bar or something like that. But yeah, I'm really excited about that because, like I said, one of my dreams is to create my own lipsticks, and I hope that that comes true. So until then, I shall be creating my lipsticks in these places. I don't even know how to get started creating my, I guess I need to, like, if it's really a dream, I need to do some research on it, because yeah, I need to maybe make it a reality. I'm gonna go into this darker shade down here. It's called After Dark, I believe. Or no, it's called Off the Coast. So that is the rewards I have for those goals, and I really want to do them just because more than anything I want to do those rewards. So yeah, sometimes you have to give yourself rewards for like reaching goals, and that's fair. Add a little bit of drama there. The only thing I didn't like about this whole set, and you have all your bronzers over here. These are some highlighters, but they're dark highlighters. And then you have all your eyeshadows here, and then obviously your butter blushes. So they're all butter, that line, so they go on really soft and like stay on. The only thing that collection doesn't have is a highlighter, so I'm digging into my highlighter. This is MAC Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and I'm using this little MAC brush as well. It came with a little set. It's the 143 SES. On pink shoes, so I'm gonna put on a pink lipstick. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to eyeliner. I'm using this one by NARS. It is the liquid eyeliner in Explicit Black. It's really nice. On my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Brush is like a calligraphy brush. It's so nice. Before I do my eyelashes, I'm gonna go ahead and spray with this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Go ahead and curl my lashes. Mascara that I've been really liking is the e.l.f. Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. This is just in black. It doesn't really do much for volume, but it really holds a curl very nicely. So all right, so there you have it, my 2023 beauty goals and resolutions. Let me know if this inspired you to create your own. I would love to know your beauty resolutions. Put them down in the comment section below and let's talk about it. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate the support and the views and the watching, and I truly do appreciate you taking the time to be with me today. I would love it even more if you subscribed and liked this video. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon.